Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor menu errors. If you've been struggling with menus not displaying correctly or behaving strangely in Elementor, this straightforward process will help you resolve those issues quickly. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your site's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to all the tools we need to fix this problem. Now navigate to the left sidebar menu and locate Elementor, then click on Tools. This section contains essential maintenance options that can resolve many common Elementor issues. The Tools menu is specifically designed to help troubleshoot and fix problems that might arise with your page builder. In the Tools section, you'll see an option labeled Clear Files and Data. Go ahead and click this button. This step is crucial because it removes cached files and data that might be causing your menu to malfunction. You'll need to wait for the process to complete. This might take a few seconds depending on your site's size. Once it's done, make sure to click Save Changes to apply the cleanup. Next, we need to rule out plugin conflicts, which are a common cause of menu errors. Head over to Plugins, then click on Installed Plugins. You'll see a list of all your active plugins here. Now here's what you need to do. Select all plugins except Elementor by clicking the checkbox beside Plugin at the top of the list. This will select everything at once. Then from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top, choose Deactivate and click Apply. This temporarily turns off all other plugins so we can identify if one of them is causing the conflict. After deactivating the plugins, go back to your dashboard, look for the Updates option in the left menu and click on it. This is where you'll ensure your theme is up to date, which can often resolve compatibility issues with Elementor. Scroll down until you find either 2024 or 2025, depending on which version you're currently using. Check the box next to it, then select Update Themes. Keeping your theme updated is essential for maintaining compatibility with the latest version of Elementor and preventing menu errors from occurring. And that's it. You've successfully cleared Elementor's cache, ruled out plugin conflicts, and updated your theme. These steps should resolve most Elementor menu errors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.